Your body changes after 60, but most seniors don't realize that the vitamins they trust the most might secretly be harming their heart, liver, bones, and even their memory. And the shocking part, many of these popular supplements are the very ones older adults take every single morning. So before you swallow another pill, stop. Because today, you're going to learn the 4 vitamins seniors should never take, and the 4 you must take daily if you want to stay energetic, sharp, and strong after 60. Let's start with the worst ones, because these are hiding in millions of homes. The first vitamin seniors should never take is high-dose vitamin E. For younger people, it may be harmless, but for seniors, taking more than 200 IU daily has been linked to higher bleeding risks, lower platelet function, and increased chances of stroke. Most seniors don't know this. They think they're protecting their heart, but the truth is, high-dose vitamin E can thin your blood too much and make things worse instead of better. The second worst supplement is high-dose vitamin A. Your body can't get rid of excess vitamin A easily, so it builds up over time. And for seniors, too much vitamin A increases bone loss, raises fracture risk, and can even damage the liver. Many older adults already have weak bones, and this single supplement can make them even more fragile without them realizing it. Number 3 is iron, unless your doctor specifically tells you that you're deficient. Most seniors don't need iron. In fact, excess iron in older adults is dangerous. It builds up in the body, increases oxidative stress, raises the risk of heart problems, and worsens inflammation. Yet many multivitamins still contain iron, and seniors keep taking them because they believe it's good for energy. It's not. For most people after 60, it's harmful. And the 4th vitamin seniors should avoid is high-dose B6. If you're taking more than 100 mg daily, you might be damaging your nerves without knowing it. Long-term high-dose B6 supplementation has been linked to nerve pain, numbness, tingling in the hands and feet, and loss of coordination, symptoms many seniors mistakenly blame on age. It might not be age, it might be the vitamin. Now, let's flip the script, because while some vitamins can harm seniors, others are essential, literally life-changing, after 60. These are the 4 vitamins you must take daily if you want better energy, better mobility, better immunity, and a sharper brain. The first one is vitamin D3. As you age, your skin makes less vitamin D from sunlight, and deficiency becomes extremely common. Low vitamin D weakens your bones, slows your metabolism, drains your energy, and lowers your immune strength. Taking D3 daily improves bone strength, supports mood, reduces inflammation, and helps protect your muscles. Most seniors feel the difference within weeks. The second must-take vitamin is B12, and not just any B12, but the active form, methylcobalamin. After 60, your stomach makes less acid, which means you absorb less B12 from food. Low B12 leads to memory loss, fatigue, poor balance, and even nerve problems. A simple daily B12 supplement can dramatically improve mental clarity, energy, and focus. The third essential vitamin is vitamin K2. Most seniors know about vitamin D, but almost no one knows that vitamin D needs K2 to work properly. K2 helps move calcium out of your blood and into your bones, where it belongs. Without enough K2, calcium can build up in your arteries, stiffen blood vessels, and raise heart risk. Together, D3 plus K2 protect your bones and your heart at the same time. And the 4th must-take vitamin for seniors is omega-3. Yes, it's technically a fatty acid, but it works like a vitamin for your body. Omega-3 reduces inflammation, supports heart health, sharpens memory, improves joint flexibility, and helps maintain healthy vision. If you want better mobility and less morning stiffness after 60, omega-3 is one of the best supplements on the planet. So here's the truth, aging is not the enemy. The real danger is taking the wrong supplements while ignoring the right ones. When you remove the harmful vitamins and add the nutrients your body actually needs after 60, everything begins to change. Your energy lifts, Your joints move easier, your memory sharpens, your sleep improves, and even your mood becomes lighter. You don't feel old, you feel alive again. So before you take another pill, check your shelf. Remove the supplements that hurt you and protect yourself with the ones that help you. Your future self will thank you with better strength, better clarity, and a longer, healthier life.